Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to solve this simple looking expression that many people fail to solve. How? 7 minus 7 as 0 and 7 minus 7 as 0 and 0 times 0 as 0. This is the incorrect answer and incorrect approach. Yes, you heard it right. When you have given subtraction, bracket, then in bracket again subtraction, then you have to follow PEMDAS or Modmass rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket. So that is 7 minus 7, 0. And if there is no sign between bracket and a number, you have to put multiplication. Now, as per PEMDAS or Modmass rule, first solve the multiplication instead of subtraction. So multiplication sign is in between 7 and 0. So it becomes 7 times 0 as 0. Now, there is an only sign subtraction. Then 7 subtraction 0 is 7 only. So what is the correct answer? 7, not 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. If you take a right approach and right steps, you will always reach a right answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.